old windows up in this barn, and we want to do something fun with them. We want to make it into a greenhouse at this old place. We are of course going to clean it up. We started earlier this spring with lining out where we want to have it, and now we want to build it with some old windows that we have. So today you're going to see me measure them. Hopefully I will make a sheet of where every windows are going to go, and then we can start building the greenhouse. Our youngest daughter has a horse that needs some help since she clearly is uncomfortable with her back legs. Jesper from My Horse Therapy is really good at craniosacral therapy and found out that Sadie had a locked jaw and that transplanted all the way to her back legs. He took his time to let the horse get comfortable with him before he adjusted the jaw. This was so scary, and I hid in a stall while this happened. You can see that she understood that he only wanted to help her when she seeks his attention afterwards. He also let me ask a lot of questions while my daughter got a new chain. As you see, she gets more comfortable and really relaxed and has the sleepiest eye I've seen in a long time. This week I also worked on something else. I have a company that makes prints on cup, tumbler, t-shirts and other things. I made a cup for a former colleague who liked the print but wanted them on bigger cups. I use a special ink in the printer that transfers when heated, and the heater I use is made for exactly this kind of things. Thank you so much for taking a peek into my week here at the farm, and I hope to see you next week. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.